We're gonna do an absolutely wild transformation on this car. This is a Freyenen, not to be confused with a K-in-it. That's not normal. Yeah, if you want to even jump in on the passenger side. Motherfucker, I thought that was Nick. Do not do drugs. Looks like a Pac-Man symbol there. Could be for the NOS system, actually. Over here on the steering wheel, Cobb access ports, really common item in all of the turbo Subarus. So when you're driving, you can easily monitor all your gauges, flash your tune, whatever you need to do, set it up in valet mode if you're gonna lend it to your cousin Julian, whatever. I wouldn't totally be worried about the airbag going off. I feel like it's just gonna bring the information closer to you. No frickin' way, look at what we got here. You guys have seen that movie Star Wars, right? With the things. Have you guys ever heard of Gods Now? This exhaust was actually tested in person by Jesus himself. So much fucking heavier.